In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website with Bluehost. First, open your browser and head to your Bluehost account home. Sign in with your credentials and land on the My Account dashboard. This is your starting point for everything you manage with Bluehost. Next, look for the website section in the main navigation. Click it to see the sites tied to your plan. Quick heads up, you'll need a plan that includes website creation tools. If you don't see the option to create a site, your subscription likely needs an upgrade. Bluehost will prompt you if that's the case, and once upgraded, the websites area will show the creation controls. Click Add Website. This launches the guided setup and walks you through the choices that shape how your site is created. You'll be asked to choose the type of environment. Pick WordPress to create a fresh WordPress site. Select Transfer WordPress to bring an existing WordPress site into Bluehost, or choose an empty environment if you want a bare setup and plan to configure everything manually. If you're unsure, WordPress is the most flexible and beginner-friendly route. After that, choose how you want to create your site. You can use the AI Builder to generate a starting design based on a few prompts. Start with a template to pick a professionally designed layout you can customize, or migrate an existing site if you're moving from another host. Templates are a great balance of speed and control, so that's what I'll demonstrate next. Select Template to browse the available designs. You'll see categories for different industries and styles. Click a template to open its details. This doesn't commit anything yet, it just lets you explore. Use Preview to see how the template looks as a live site. Check the home page, inner pages, and especially the mobile view since a lot of your visitors will be on phones. Pay attention to typography and spacing. Those are good indicators of how polished your site will feel once your content is added. When you've found a design you like, click Select Template to confirm your choice. Bluehost will apply the template and prepare your new site. That's it for the setup flow. You've created your site framework and you're ready to start customizing pages, adding content, and configuring settings in the WordPress dashboard. If something doesn't look right, you can return to templates and switch designs.